Hi, my name is Lewis Carroll. Let's talk about something that's really bad, and that's a form of dementia we call Alzheimer's. And there's different forms. There's Parkinson's also, but Alzheimer's is deadly in every case. It kills every one of its victims. If you get it, chances are you're not going to get better. I mean, because people don't know necessarily what to do. There is something you have to do. You have to increase testosterone levels. I'll get right to the point on the cure, but I don't think medical science has figured all that out yet. But anyway, it's a buildup of plaque and tangles that it resides within the brain cells. You know, the tangles come from these fibrous strands from a protein called tau, and then you've got beta amyloid that makes up that plaque, and it interferes with the function of the brain. And since the brain controls vital functions in the body, like breathing and heart rhythm, things like that, swallowing, eventually you'll just die because you won't be able to do some of these basic things that you have to do, like breathe and eat. And so Alzheimer's will take your life in every case. Here's the thing, Alzheimer's is linked to declining testosterone levels. And I've harped on this so many times about how important it is to keep your hormone levels up. And this is just another example of something that will kill you if you don't keep your testosterone levels up. The prevalence of it, or the risk of getting it, is like 50% by the time you're 85. So we're all headed down that road. You know, if you make it to 85, you got a 50-50 chance that you're going to have it by age 85. Or if you're one of the lucky ones that doesn't get it, you'll get it by age 87 or 88. But it's going to get you. Because if you don't keep that testosterone level up, you're not going to get around this hurdle. You know, there's an interesting study that was done at Wayne University back in 2004, where they found out, or their conclusion after the study was that there would be a 26% decrease in your risk of getting Alzheimer's for every 50% increase that you could have in free testosterone, in serum free testosterone levels. So it's linked to testosterone, and as you would might imagine, it's even worse for women. You know, 2/3 of the people that get this are women, because they have even lower testosterone levels than men, and the other 1/3 is men. Getting around it is possible, and reversing what you have, reversing the symptoms, is also possible. But the key is increasing those testosterone levels. You can do it in men, you can do it in women, there's different methods. One of the methods is testosterone replacement therapy, but the problem is that comes with its own side effects, because that testosterone, like cypionate or enanthate, it's not bioidentical, and your liver is going to work every single day to detox that thing because it's not bioidentical. And so how long can you live when you put your liver under that kind of stress every day? How many years can you go? Well, I don't know, but I know bodybuilders out there that take testosterone, you know, supplementation in order to build those muscles up. They don't generally want to do that over about, 6 weeks. So if you're talking about staying on it for years, I don't know if your liver's going to like that. The other way is Time Machine. Time Machine has ingredients in it that are food extracts that raise testosterone levels in men. In women it can do that too. It starts with progesterone, and progesterone is then converted into testosterone and estrogen. So there's ways to do it. But the bottom line is, to get around Alzheimer's, you've got to raise testosterone. That's the bottom line. You've got to raise it up back to natural, normal levels. And if you can do that, you should be able to reverse some of the symptoms, and you should be able to get around it completely if you keep your testosterone levels up before you reach those later golden years of 75, 80, 85, where you're now much more susceptible to get it. So you got to keep testosterone levels up. That's the key. That's the way around it. You don't want to get Alzheimer's because it kills every one of its victims. It's an absolutely deadly disease.